ತಮಾಷೆಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅವನ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಿ, ಆತನ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ಗಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ಬಂದು ಅವನೇ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ನಾಳೆ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನು ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವನೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಕನ, ಏನಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ? ನನಗಿರೋ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಪ್ರಕಾರ
ನೀವು ಗೃಹ ಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ,
ಮಾಡೋಣ ತನಿಖೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Right. See, I welcome this question. Government is equally concerned about circulation of these videos. The more such material gets circulated, the honor of victims gets further violated. Government is very much against adding insult to the injury suffered by these women. So SIT has passed a clear order that any further circulation of these material will be an offense and cases will be booked against them. Government is very serious. While they are pursuing the investigation of the main crime, the SIT is also looking into further to prevent the further circulation of these material. So we are very serious about it. Government has passed on this message to SIT. SIT has already come on record that further circulation will be seen very seriously and cases will be booked against people who are further circulating this material. While social media is a difficult domain to govern, but government in its intent and actions, we will be very clear that circulation of these material, we will make all efforts to stop further circulation.
ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಿರ್ಭೀತಿಯಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪರವಾಗಿ.